everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am stuffing my sinking funds for September paycheck number 1. So let me go ahead and count this money so that you guys know how much I am stuffing this week. Here's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. So $300. So $200 is what I had budgeted for sinking funds, but I still had some cash that I had pulled out from a previous paycheck, and I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it. Now, I have gone through and taken all the money out of my envelopes, and it's in the bank right now. So we're just starting over. I'm not going to try and keep track of what was in there, what's in the bank, what's in cash. I'm just going to start my sinking funds all over again and let that money just sit in the bank. So first category that I have is Christmas. And so this beginning balance is 0. And what is today's date? Today's the 13th. So 9/13. Let's add 70. So that gives me a balance of 70. Here's 20, 40, 60, and 70. I had asked on my community tab for you guys to give me some questions because in my next planning video, I plan to answer those questions. So if you would like to leave a comment down below with any questions you want to ask me or ask Carol Ann, we will be answering your questions this weekend. Next is car maintenance, and car maintenance is also going to get 70. Now, I have a 2014 Kia Soul. It's paid for. I bought it in cash a couple of years ago, and it has almost 100,000 miles on it. I took a picture of the mileage and my gas tank and to see how much gas I'm using. Anyway, I noticed that the mileage on my car is like 99,640. So I'm so close to 100,000 miles. But with any high mileage car, you always have some kind of maintenance, whether it's oil changes or new tires, getting the brakes replaced. And so anything that I put into this envelope goes towards car maintenance. So here's 20, 40, 60, and 70. And you might ask, well, Lisa, what are you going to do with the money that is in the bank? And the answer to that question is, it's going to sit there. I would like to just let these accumulate, and then if I have something come up, let's say with fur babies, if they need to go to the vet, I'm hoping I can cash flow just using the money that's going to accumulate in here without touching what's in the bank. And then eventually, once these fill up, which I'm hoping they will, then I'll take the money out again and deposit it, so that we're not, keeping large sums of cash in the house. So fur babies is also going to get 70. I don't know why I wrote deposit on this one and not on the others. I just got off work. I am a little tired. 20, 40, 60, and 70. I usually try to film first thing in the morning after, having some coffee. Oh, my phone moved again. Yeah, so you'd normally like to film early in the morning because that's when I'm the most awake, at least. But I did not get this done earlier today. Okay, last category is car insurance, and I pay my premium every 6 months, and so we're just going to put the rest of this in here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, which has worked out really well for me to just pay it every 6 months. I get a little bit of a discount for paying it in full, which is nice, but it's a lot easier than paying it monthly. And then going back to Christmas, now my original idea for Christmas was to save $1,200. And I don't know if I'm going to end up spending that much money. I do have quite a bit in the bank that is allocated for Christmas. And this is probably the only category that I will end up spending because it is earmarked for a particular occasion. But the goal is to reach $1,200 for Christmas and then do my Christmas shopping. So that's it for sinking funds, and somebody had asked about my nails, and I just thought I would show you what I am using if you're interested. I'm using this Kiss set. This is the French tips. Comes with the nails and glue, and the size is real short, which is nice because I do a lot of typing, and sometimes it drives me really crazy to have nails that go over my skin. So these are working out really well. I do have some others that I got from Amazon that are clear that I can polish myself. So I have a review to do for a company that sent me some gel polishes. So I do plan on doing that here really soon. But that is everything for sinking funds. So just 4 categories, you know, just the usual stuff. And like I said, everything else is in the bank. And I'm just going to start the trackers all over and just, you know, so that there's less confusion. I don't want to put like, well, I've got X number of dollars in the bank and this is how much I have in cash. I tried to do that once before and it was way too confusing. It's just in an account, and if I need to use anything from it, then I'll just record it on a ledger or something like that. And I may get something maybe in here to put like a grand total. Maybe I will do that. Do like a tracker and put the total amount that I have in sinking funds, because the only money that I have spent out of the sinking funds that I deposited were for prescriptions. So like the last couple months, my daughter and I had a few prescriptions which might have totaled $20. And aside from that, I haven't spent any of that money. So anyway, that is everything from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.